My darling, since the day we married, you have been love of my life and wonderful father to Mark and Rachel. I want to tell you something. I have so much pain and I want to end my life. You know, I want to end my life before I have to be in some hospice like that. I don't want to leave this world in a strange bed, surrounded by strangers. I don't know. With so much medication, I need you to help me, Lucas. I have, how you say, Segobarbital. I can take it. You can stay with me, Lucas, and I can take it, and then I will just go to sleep forever. Please help me, Lucas. Please.
Wipe the tears from your eyes, boy of mine. Together we can find our way. Together we'll fly. Angel boy, you'll always be my rising sun. Angel boy, you'll always be my rising sun. Boy of mine, wherever you go, whatever you become, boy of mine, you'll never have to fear. I will always be here. Angel boy, you'll always be my rising sun. Angel boy, you'll always be my rising sun.
I want to end my life in my own way, and I need you to help me, Lucas.
Bandit 4023, cutting in fast 20 miles. Estimated mark north, there's two with speed. 4023. Repeat, bandits 4023. Coming in fast, 20 miles. Estimated mark north, there's 2. Repeat, north. Dispatch on the whole. ETA, I need to know now. ETA, 10 minutes. Bandits closing fast, 10 miles. Shots fired, returning fire. I'm hit, I'm going down. Repeat, I'm hit, I'm going down. Going down, repeat, I'm hit, I'm going down. I'm hit, I'm going down.
You make me so very happy. I want to share the rest of my life with you. Will you marry me?
Oh, Lucas. Oh, you make me feel so good with your words. I dream of this day. Yes, I want to marry you.
We're going to have such a wonderful life together. I love you.
I love you too, Lucas.
We can have a family.
No, wait. We talk more about children.
I know. We haven't talked about this, but I just want you to, to want to have children. Don't you want to have children?
Yes, but we can talk later. Huh? Let's get married first. We begin lives together.
Yes, you're right, of course. We will be happy, very, very happy.
We will have a big wedding, yes.
Oh, whatever you want, Katrina.
You make me so happy, Lucas. You make me so happy, Lucas. I love it. You make me so happy. You make
Don't do it. Closer! All right.
Just like you, Mark. I get paint all over myself when I paint. Just like you. What a team. There we go, just about cleaned up. All done, just about.
Lucas, why are you not speaking to me? Look, our son is gone. We get on with our lives. Lucas, listen.
Listen to you?
Listen to me.
After all you've said and done, you want to build our lives without our son? Mark, who you drove away. You destroyed his life.
No.
Any love we had is gone.
Oh, ever since you came back from war like that, you are crazy, man.
Don't mention the Lord of me.
Lucas back and the Lucas I lost.
Don't you mention the Lord of me.
Look, you have bad time. I see that. Being in a wheelchair is not end of life. Lucas, we can manage. We still have daughters. Think of Rachel.
Don't you dare bring Rachel into this. I won't have it. Leave me alone.
You need to take pills. Won't they help with how you call it PTSD?
Get out! Get out!
Please, Lucas. We stay together. We help
each other.
Get out! I never want to see you again.
Every day that goes by, my heart grows stronger. I should have seen it coming. Why'd you do it? I could have done more. I'll never forget that day. I found it hanging from the rafters in the basement. Why? Why? I'll be with you soon, my son. I love you. I'll be with you soon. Well, dearest Rachel, I have so much sadness, so much sorrow, so much lost love. Oh, just to see your faces, your young faces together again. It's just a bit. Just a dream that I've lived every day. I feel that gone is the day that I will be a prisoner of this world. A world that needs a whole soul. Oh, not one that is I'm broken in so many places. It's just too much. Please, don't let the darkness in. It will just turn you inside out. I want you to live your life. Find happiness. Give yourself. Be yourself in this moment. I want you to know that I and that we will always be by your side forever, no matter what. I probably never said this enough to you, but I love you very much. I always have. You made me a proud father. Forgive me.
The darkness is near. I can feel it now. The light is diminishing as the madness consumes me. Fear surrounds me, yet I can't breathe. It comforts me to know the end is near. I welcome it. I embrace it, knowing that I will see you again. There's nothing more to be said.
I wanted to. I'm ending my life. I can't do this anymore. Just the cancer has gotten too strong. That's why I drink so much. Dull me. I've been thinking a lot about Mark. That same nigga. It's gonna be nice. Guess I'll see you too. Say goodbye here and you gotta say hello again. So you appear in my dreams. I hear you calling my name. You disappeared, like watercolors in rain. You're floating away, like watercolors in rain. I want to see you.
I want to feel you. I want you to flow through me like watercolors in rain. You're floating away like watercolors in rain. You left me waiting here, a life wanting. My soul bleeds out like watercolors in rain. You're floating away like watercolors in rain. Like watercolors in rain. Like watercolors in rain. Like watercolors in rain.